Yo, what is going on everyone? EarnWithTodd here, and in this video I got a very special treat for you because you're going to see 3 huge trades that I closed live on stream that totaled for over 2,700 pips. And all 3 of these trades were under 10 minutes, okay? It wasn't like I was waiting days for these take profits to hit. All 3 of the trades that you were about to see in this video were done live on my Twitch stream. And every single weekday, 6:30 a.m. Pacific to around 8:30 a.m. Pacific, I stream a trading session live on Twitch. I'm trading with a live account. I'm not demo trading or anything, so you're seeing everything very transparent. You're seeing all of my losses and you're seeing some amazing wins. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Everything is going to be very transparent and you're going to witness thousands of pips be hit. So with that said, I'll go ahead and run all 3 of these highlights from those Twitch sessions. The first one we're going to start with was on Friday, August 7th. This was actually a NFP trade. And right before that NFP news hit, I entered a trade at about 5:28. Here you see we got about a minute left for the open, and let's see what happened. Unfortunately, Twitch blocked out my audio, so I downloaded this clip and we were not going to have audio on this, so instead we'll just have my commentary over it. But here we go. It's about a minute until that news drops. Let's fast forward this about 45 seconds and let's let this run. And right here, okay, there was one of my favorite candles I like to see, a kangaroo tail, but with the NFP news, I figured there was going to be great news, so I decided I was not going to sell right here. I was just going to stay in the buy, and here we go. The news goes off, and instantly we're up over 700 pips. Of course, I move stops to break even in just a minute, but this is an NFP trade, okay? This is why it's important. If you want to level up some trading skills, you go ahead and you join me live on those Twitch streams because we are getting trades like this all the time. You know, of course, there are going to be some losing streaks, but when we get some winning trades, you better look out because those pips are coming fast. So let's go ahead and speed this up a little bit. It tries to retrace down to 500 pips. Maybe some of you would have closed that trade out already, but let's go ahead. We're up over 700 again, approaching 900 pips here now. And I had to take profit for about 1,100 pips, and let's see if it got hit. And if you're wondering, you're seeing the profit is like $20. You know, usually it's like $100 you're used to. But on the broker I use, Ingot Brokers, they have smaller contract sizes, so the pip value is going to be worth less, which means you're just going to have to trade higher lots. And down in the video description, I do have an Ingot Brokers account, so you can go ahead, check out that broker, see if it's going to be right for you. I've been using them for about 4 months, but right here, our TP hit live on that Twitch stream for over 1,100 pips. So now I'm going to pull up another trade, and this trade is actually going to be a kangaroo tail that showed up right when the New York Stock Exchange opened. So let's see how long this trade will take to hit take profit. Here it is about a minute right before the New York Stock Exchange, like I said, and there will be audio running on this.
Good morning, also days. Shit, we got a candle to sell.
And right here, I had just woken up. I just turned the stream on, so I was a little bit groggy, and I just, on impulse, I just entered the sell right away. There is absolutely no hesitation.
This is good enough for a sell right now on US30.
And right here, we're up about 150 pips. I do want to point out the pip counter I was using at this time. Ingot Brokers had recently updated their US30 digits to just 1 instead of 2 at the end of the price. So here it's showing 15 pips on the counter, but in reality, we are up 150 pips on this. So keep this in mind as this trade runs.
Look at this takeoff already. Up 200 pips already. Pretty crazy. We got the perfect kangaroo right away on stream.
Go ahead and speed this up a little bit. Here we are up over 300 pips right here.
Shit, y'all.
Here I am moving stops down, of course.
Damn, we are up 400 pips already.
Here it goes, just taking off.
500 pips already.
Up over 500 pips right here.
Damn, 540 pips? Y'all, we're at fucking 600 pips already. That means 650 pips. I'll set break even. Look at that, we're up 740 pips now. What do you think, Ganja? Can we get there? Damn, look at that, we're up peaking 800 pips right now. 840, 850, 900 pips right there, y'all.
Okay, now this is just getting crazy. We're up over 900 pips at this point, and right there it did peak over 1,000 pips for a second.
Yo, look, are y'all seeing this fucking shit right now? I mean, I gotta secure something, you know.
I mean, what are you supposed to do? You can see that I am a little bit surprised about how fast this trade actually started to drop.
Come on, we're almost fucking there already. This is crazy, y'all. So close to TP down here. 900 pips. 900 pips. Shit, I gotta see what my profit looks on the app right now. Alright, I just fucking scooped it.
Right there, I said I scooped it, so we just closed out, took the profit right there. Here we see in the chat, Young's there said we caught the home run. Ganja here in the chat says gonna drag it down. So this is why you ladies and gentlemen need to come join me on those Twitch live stream sessions. But let's go ahead and pull up another phenomenal trade. So here is another trade we did live on stream right before the New York Stock Exchange opened. I checked some news. I figured, hey, it looked like we were going to see some bearish movement. So I went ahead and just put in a sell before the open, and we put a simple stop loss right above here. So we were not risking very much, but let's see how this morning developed. Here we got 1 minute for the open. We got the countdown going now. Go ahead and speed this up just a little bit. About 40 seconds to the open. 20 seconds, and let's see what happened. We're up over 200 pips already. Like I said, there is an extra digit missing in this trade, but this is in fact over 350 pips. 350. So the open had not even happened yet. And here we go. 390, 440, look at that, taking off. Went ahead and secured break even, of course. I mean, we're up over 500 pips just about. I set break even, 500. $600. Trail that shit down too, fast, like. Maybe right there. I'll trail down. But there you have it, up 680. 680 pips was the highest it was at. But I think the stocks are about to go up soon. Anybody close out 600 pips yet? There's 700 pips right there. We're breaking out. Trail this shit down. I locked up 560 pips. Damn, we're approaching 1,000 pips right now. I secured 770. We're over 1,000 pips right now. Is it gonna meet this yellow line though? Let's see. Do we got any more push down? Trail this shit down though, tight. Alright, I hit stop at 770 pips right there. So there we had it. We scooped up 770 pips there. We got out right when another Kangaroo Tail actually printed, so it could be a buller. So excellent spot to get out here. And I just want to point out, hey, this is why you should definitely check out all of the links down in the video description. Go ahead, follow me on Twitch so you can join these live trading sessions every single morning, 6:30 a.m. Pacific to around 8:30 a.m. Pacific. We go live right when the New York Stock Exchange bell opens, and we're there just chilling, okay? We're looking for Kangaroo Tail setups mostly. But hey, if you are new to my channel, if you've never seen my videos, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go to my website, kangaroohunter.com, because you're going to learn a phenomenal free trading strategy called the Kangaroo Tail Strategy. My website is completely free, and when I mean free, you're not going to find any credit card forms or anything like that, okay? I give out pure free knowledge, so make sure you check out everything. And again, if you want to check out hangout brokers, everything is down below under the video description. So with that said, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, drop some comments, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so you can subscribe and see all of my future YouTube videos that will be hitting. So with that said, have a great rest of the day, everyone.